Hello there, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to download and install the full version of Eset Nod32 Antivirus for free on PC. Eset Nod32 Antivirus, 2024 free download, latest version for Windows. It is a full offline installer standalone setup of Eset Nod32 Antivirus 2024 free download. First of all, how to download it. Step 1. Open Chrome and type this URL in the bar: alphasofts.net/dl. Step 2. After opening the page, click on Download Now. Step 3. Wait until you are redirected to the direct download link. Step 4. Download the file and copy the file password. Done. You have downloaded it. Now it's time to install it. To install it, follow these steps. Step 1. Disable Windows Defender. Step 2. Extract the downloaded file. Step 3. Run the setup file. Step 4. Follow the screen instructions. Step 5. After finishing, it's ready to use. I hope you understand everything. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye.